Namaste. We are here to welcome our Honorable Prime Minister and most popular leader in the world, Sri Narendra Modi ji. And here I looking the festive environment in the Andrews Airfield Airport. And we are extremely excited to be here to welcome Prime Minister Modi ji. And this is a very, very important for the India and in relation India-US relationship, especially India is emerged as a global leader and feel excited and proud because of that. We do see India has registered a significant and spectacular success and development in recent times. The Indo-US relationships is strategic in a nature, and we see that a significant spectacular success and development in recent times. During the pandemic time, India is helped generously to so many countries to send a free vaccine and several other ways, especially third world countries and poor countries. So as always, as an Indian community in the US feel a deep emotional and personal connect with India and is continuously engaged in seeking all-round development of the country. We are extremely proud of the Indian heritage. The community endeavors to preserve, protect, and promote a rich Indian tradition, culture, and values. So we believe Vishwa Shanti, like peace, progress, and development of the humanity. Both India and US have a historical relationship. There is a great people to connect people between the oldest and greatest, largest democracies in the earth. The friendship between India and US is well recognized globally. Okay, with this Quad summit, it strengthens more and more relations between India, US, Japan, and Australia. So we are one more time, we are welcoming our Honorable Prime Minister to the Washington, DC. And we always be proud as an Indian origin. And we are extremely, we are congratulating to each and everyone. We are in a part of development and success. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much.